Welcome to FooDooloo, where we know what we chew. Cooking, for many, is an act of love and creativity. However, alongside the charm and passion of food, there exists an undercurrent of mystery: food conspiracy theories. These aren't just limited to politics or science, but extend into the culinary world as well. From secret ingredients to shadowy organizations pulling the strings of global food markets, food-based conspiracies are as diverse as the meals that inspire them. Let's dive into some of the most famous and intriguing cooking conspiracy theories that have captivated food lovers worldwide. Let us know what you'd like to see next by leaving a comment below. Also, remember to hit the like and subscribe button while you're at it too. First up, the secret formula of Coca-Cola. Perhaps the most famous culinary conspiracy theory revolves around one of the world's most iconic beverages, Coca-Cola. The exact formula for Coca-Cola has been a well-guarded secret since its invention by John Pemberton in 1886. The secrecy surrounding the ingredients has led to widespread speculation. Some theorists claim that the recipe includes secret addictive substances beyond caffeine and sugar, potentially even narcotics, to hook consumers for life. Although Coca-Cola's original formula did contain this particular booger sugar, which was legal at the time, the company removed it in the early 20th century. However, this hasn't stopped theories from swirling about the company maintaining a hidden ingredient, which is supposedly responsible for its undeniable global appeal. While Coca-Cola insists that only a few top executives know the true recipe, the mystery surrounding the formula fuels continued curiosity and suspicion. Next on the list, the McDonald's French fries addiction. McDonald's is no stranger to conspiracy theories, but the one that surrounds its French fries has been particularly persistent. Have you ever wondered why McDonald's fries taste so unique and addictive? One time, I bought 7 large Mickey D's fries and ate them alone without my family. Anyways, some believe that the company uses a special secret ingredient that makes their fries irresistibly appealing, leaving consumers craving more. One common claim is that McDonald's fries contain a special form of MSG, a flavor enhancer believed by some to induce addiction. While McDonald's has denied such claims, admitting to using beef flavoring and natural oils for their signature taste, the idea of a secret addictive agent continues to circulate. It's not just about taste, according to conspiracy theorists. It's about controlling consumers through food. Have you heard of the PizzaGate Scandal? While not directly a cooking conspiracy, PizzaGate holds a place in food-related conspiracy discussions. This theory took off in 2016 when online theorists claimed that a Washington, D.C. pizzeria, Comet Ping Pong, was the headquarters of a secret child trafficking ring led by high-profile political figures. The theory suggested that coded language involving pizza in leaked emails referred to something far more sinister than food. Despite being thoroughly debunked and ridiculed by those who oppose it, this theory stirred widespread fear and fascination. It also highlighted how food, in this case pizza, could be used as a symbol within larger, more complex conspiracy narratives. The incident became so intense that it led to real-world violence when a man entered the restaurant with a weapon, attempting to rescue children he believed were trapped there. It doesn't get better with Big Sugar's role in the rise of low-fat diets. For decades, people were told that fat was the primary cause of obesity and heart disease, leading to the rise of low-fat diets. However, a more recent theory suggests that the sugar industry played a significant role in promoting this narrative. According to this conspiracy, the sugar industry paid scientists in the 1960s to downplay the negative effects of sugar and instead shift the blame onto dietary fats. This theory gained momentum in 2016 when documents were discovered showing that the Sugar Research Foundation, a major industry group, funded research that influenced dietary recommendations. By focusing public attention on fat, sugar producers ensured that sugar-heavy foods like breakfast cereals and snacks remained popular. This shift led to the low-fat, high-sugar processed foods that have dominated supermarket shelves for years, contributing to rising rates of obesity and diabetes. But what about the great microwave oven conspiracy? Microwave ovens revolutionized cooking, offering a convenient way to prepare meals quickly. However, conspiracy theories suggest that microwave ovens are not as harmless as they appear. Some claim that microwaves emit harmful radiation that destroys the nutritional value of food, or even poses cancer risks. Although health authorities and scientists have long debunked these claims, explaining that microwave ovens use non-ionizing radiation, which does not damage food or the human body, the fear persists. Some conspiracy theorists take it even further, arguing that the widespread use of microwaves was a deliberate plot by the appliance industry to push a product that they knew would degrade health over time. Let's finish with the global food shortage conspiracy. Another persistent conspiracy theory focuses on the idea of an engineered global food shortage. According to this theory, powerful elites, including large agricultural corporations and wealthy individuals, are deliberately manipulating food supplies to create scarcity. This scarcity, they claim, is a means of controlling populations through hunger and economic instability. Proponents of this theory often point to rising food prices, trade wars, and climate change policies that restrict farming practices as evidence of a coordinated effort to keep certain regions of the world in a state of perpetual food crisis. While global food shortages are often attributed to natural disasters, economic mismanagement, and political instability, conspiracy theorists believe there is a deliberate hand behind these events. Conspiracy theories are a reflection of deeper societal anxieties, and food, being so central to human life, naturally becomes a focal point for many of these fears. Whether it's the secret ingredients in your favorite fast food or machinations of global corporations, these theories blend fact and fiction in compelling ways. While most food-related conspiracies have been debunked or remain unproven, they continue to capture the imagination of the public, serving as a reminder of how much we still don't know about what's on our plates. Thank you for joining us on this eerie exploration. Stay tuned to FooDooloo for more culinary adventures, tips, and recipes by hitting the subscribe and notification bell. Remember to comment what you'd like to see next and hit our like button. Until next time, bon appetit!